How do you feel? You just sucked your dog's ballsack. How does it feel? Please describe it.
Blood warning.
Oh, he's shy. You're a witness. What do you say about this? Any other witnesses?
Basically, Sam's dog put his ball sack in Sam's mouth and Sam enjoyed it. Got a boner and then come down. Sucked his little red rocket.
Thank
And
you.
look at him. He's
Thank you, Redhead.
Swallowed the lunch.
Samuel, do you have any words? Any words?
Fuck off.
Okay.